Are you seeking a method to use Roblox Studio on your mobile device? In this video, I'll demonstrate the step-by-step process by accessing Roblox Studio on your mobile device. Make sure to watch the entire video to fully grasp the tutorial. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to roblox.com. Afterward, log into your Roblox account on the website. Then click on the Create option. The next step is to tap on the double A's located at the bottom left and select Request Desktop Website. This will load the desktop version of the website on your mobile device, allowing you to access Roblox Studio. With this setup, you can now utilize Roblox Studio on your mobile device and commence your creative endeavors. And that concludes this tutorial. If you have any questions regarding this process, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.